Picture this. You wake up and your smart speaker already knows what's important for you in the morning. It gives you weather updates, lists your meetings, confirm your cab is booked.
Tuesday, 2 degrees Celsius and cloudy skies.
And asks if you'd like your favorite coffee delivered near your drop-off. Need tickets to tonight's show or a hotel for next week? Not a single tap, just your voice. And everything's found. Recommended and handled. Courtesy of hidden power of voice search and the next-gen SEO. Welcome to 404 Explained, where we simplify the complex tech of tomorrow that others leave unexplained. You've noticed it, right? Alexa, what's my day look like? Hey Siri, book a cab. Voice search isn't the future. It's everywhere right now. But under the surface, it's a symphony. Speech recognition converts your words into text. NLP figures out what you really mean. Not just the keywords, but your intent, your mood, even your contents. Smart assistants don't just answer, they anticipate. Ask about a coffee shop and they might suggest one near your destination and even offer to order. And unlike text searches, voice is conversational. Longer questions, human tone, you don't type. Where's a great pizza place open this late? But you might ask your phone just like that. That's why SEO itself is evolving from screens to sound, from clicks to real-life recommendations. Marketers had to pivot all those keywords hacks. Useless now. Voice queries are how we actually talk, not how we write. So SEO means real answers, not robotic paragraphs. Want your brand to show up in voice searches? You need to speak fluent human, FAQ section, how-tos and answer that sound natural aloud. Local SEO is crucial too. Ask who delivers samosas near me and your assistant skips the spam. Finding local results. Voice commerce? It's happening. Order, confirm, pay just by talking. Ever wonder what really happens when you say, "Hey Siri"? Instantly, your device's onboard chip listens for the wake word, filtering out background noise to ensure it's actually you. If it's a straightforward command like setting an alarm, Edge AI processes it locally for speed and privacy. But with bigger requests, your voice is encrypted and sent to the cloud in milliseconds. First, speech-to-text AI converts your words into digital text. Now, natural language processing jumps in, handling mixed languages, accents, and local slangs to understand true meaning, not just keywords. Next up, vector embeddings. Think of these as deep neural maps matching your sentence to millions of possible user intents. That's how Assistant can link cab, Delhi, and airport to understand you want a ride now, not a travel guide. And today's assistants remember context. If you ask, who won the match last night? Then follow up with what's his next game. The system connects the dots, just like the conversation with a friend. All this happens in the blink of an eye, delivering an answer that feels personal, accurate, and instant, no matter how you speak. Here's something you'll really notice. Searching by voice isn't just like a new way to communicate. It's a whole new experience. Typing best biryani nearby in a search bar that gives you long lists and block results. But speak out. Find me amazing biryani close to me. And your assistant does not just give info. It solves your whole task. Instant booking, route suggestions, recommendations, even the option to order immediately. Text search is about options. Voice search is about action. Text can be rich, but voice feels frictionless. More like asking a helpful friend than navigating a maze of links. This shift means marketers and brands must adapt not only to answer but to act, embedding their presence inside the flow of daily life, not just on screens, but in conversations. The future, voice-driven discoveries that anticipate your needs, respond naturally, and make every interaction as easy as speaking your mind. Measuring the impact of voice search optimization also requires new approaches. Traditional metrics like page views and clicks only capture part of the story. Voice interaction demand tracking, how often content is selected as the assistant's spoken response, sometimes called zero-click searches, where users get answers without clicking through. Voice search analytics tool now monitor query phrasing and variation in spoken versus typed searches. The percentage of voice answers sourced from featured snippets or skills. Engagement rates with voice-enabled applications and commerce action. User sentiment and feedbacks to improve conversation flows. Success means not just ranking for keywords, but answering questions clearly, naturally, and quickly, earning trust from both users and algorithms. But let's get real. Voice assistants like Alexa or Siri often have their favorites. Amazon brands get first dibs, Apple nudges its own picks. It's not just convenience, there's business behind it. Privacy matters too. Not surprisingly, in 2018, a couple from Portland reported that their Alexa accidentally recorded and sent a private conversation to someone else. These devices listen sometimes more than you'd like. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA influence what data can be leveraged for voice personalization and targeted ads. So voice SEO strategies can't just be clever. They need to respect your privacy. Transparency, control, and clear opt-outs matter because trust is worth more than convenience. Voice search is changing how we ask, shop, discover, and connect. The world's moving from taps to talks, screens to scenes. If you want to shape the next generation of digital experience, you'll need to master language, context, and those invisible AI players turning behind the scenes. Voice search is just one example of how AI is reshaping our digital world, and opportunities to innovate are endless. If you're passionate about mastering these technologies, understanding their underpinnings, and shaping their future, you're at the right place. Explore NIIT's programs in artificial intelligence, data science, and digital marketing, designed to empower learners like you with practical skills for tomorrow's tech landscape. Before you go, ponder this. How will your voice shape the future of search? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NIIT for more 404 Explained, where we decode future tech in a way that just makes sense.